Have you ever done a mail merge in Microsoft Word, got all your letters ready, but then got stuck on how to save each one as a separate PDF instead of clicking multiple times manually? Today, I'll show you a one-click free method to do this automatically. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to convert your mail merge letters into separate PDFs using a simple VBA trick. No paid tools required. Let's say you've already done a mail merge using Excel data, like candidate name, job title, etc. You click Finish and Merge, then Edit Individual Documents, and now you have 10 pages. But here's the issue. If you try to save as PDF, it saves everything as one file. If you print manually and choose only one page, it still saves everything as one file. So, instead of choosing one by one and save it as PDF, we'll use a small VBA macro inside Microsoft Word that will split each record and save each as PDF automatically. To do so, first save your mail merge Word file in a separate folder. Then, press Alt plus F11 to open VBA Editor. After that, click on Insert, then select Module, and paste the code given in the description. Finally, press F5 to run the macro. And just like that, you'll get all separate PDFs automatically saved in your folder. If this saved your time, hit like and subscribe for more practical tips and tricks. And if you're stuck anywhere, drop a comment. I'll help you out.